Alright, that's a little clogger. We had back up earlier in the week. Of course, I was looking for a clean out forever, couldn't find it. Of course, the way these are plumbed together, um, it's almost impossible to get that snake to drop. And I thought this was an old part of the septic tank, but obviously it's a little miniature lift station for the city. So luckily we can get in from this end. We got it cleared before, so it shouldn't be a big deal. But I'm gonna get this set up and then we'll show you real quick. All right, get moved over a little bit. A little beaver snake over here. Fix this down. Get up there where we can. Hope there's something there. We want to move it forward and back. It's got one of those little clutches on it. Usually you can just tighten it down enough to where you can still move it if you need to. But it's set to counterclockwise, so if I press down, it goes forward. If I pull up, it goes back. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the middle for right now and get it spinning. Come on, baby. Well, she's moving. Well, here we go. Yahtzee. All right, Mr. Duker is out. We'll go and double check and everything, of course. I'm going to keep sending it a little bit. Make sure we get squared away for good. If we did it, and it's still backed up again, so I'm afraid something might still be in there, but I'll pop it back on if something else happens. We got the bathtubs running, got all the toilets flushing, just the two baths, and I got the two sinks going. Like I said, I might keep going, but she's running for now.